the dog, the kids, maybe even the compost. Often mean a trip to the car wash.
You know how milk tends to fester on and on?
You don't want to give that impression that you're not a very clean person.
But sometimes that's just not enough to get rid of unpleasant smells once and for all.
It can be really tough to figure out why a car smells so bad. There are lots of vents and crevices in a car where odors can hide and thrive.
Mechanic Satoshi Fukunaga.
The first thing I look at when a customer comes with a smelly car is look into the cabin filter.
One obvious place to look and smell are the dashboard vents. If that area is the problem, see if there is debris like leaves in the cabin filter. Clear it out, and if that works, great. If not, installing a new cabin filter can really help. They're not very expensive, and you can probably do it yourself.
You can also try spraying a professional-grade vent and duct cleaner to get rid of any fungi that may have taken a foothold in a vent.
Moisture in and under carpet mats can also cause odor problems. Carpet cleaners can help, but for tougher smells, you may need to get professional steam cleaning. And don't forget the sunroof. There are small drainage holes on the sides, which sometimes get clogged, allowing water to seep into the roof's liner or even drip onto the seats. A quick vacuum of the area can solve that problem. Now, if none of those fixes work, you may have to have your mechanic check for a more serious problem with the climate control system.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Click the ABC7 logo to subscribe to our Eyewitness News YouTube channel.